Hello everybody, this is Ray, and what I'm going to do for this week's content is I'm going to show you how to do some keyword research. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to get this plugin over here called a Keywords Everywhere tool. It's a free plugin for Google Chrome, and it's going to help you in your keyword research. Because you're going to want to do research no matter if you're writing a blog post, if you're creating a website, if you're going to be selling products. You want to know the keywords that people are looking for. So go ahead, and if you don't have Google Chrome already, it's a free download. So you can download Google Chrome and then type in the Keywords Everywhere by Google Chrome, and you'll get this plugin that you can put in there, and it's going to be right up here sitting on your desktop, and you can set it for global, you can set it for wherever you're at, but I like to set it for global. Right now I'm going to do this and set it for the United States. Okay? Then you can get updates and all that. It's a really cool extension because when you type in something like this grocery store, okay, it's going to give you things like this. It's going to give you search volume, 436. It's going to give you CPC, which is cost per click, which means if you're advertising for on Google and like this is an ad for Google. So every time somebody clicks this is the cost that they charge every time somebody clicks on their ad. And this right here is the competition for that keyword. So the Google Chrome extension is actually a valuable tool to have. Now another thing that you can do, notice I have grocery store up here. Now if I do a little space here with my space bar, you're going to see that it comes up with what they call suggested searches. Okay, so you're going to be searching for grocery store near me, grocery store Joe, Weston. These are all keywords. And what I would do is I would write down these keywords so that you have them in your arsenal, so to speak. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you're going to see other suggested keywords. Now this is what people are actually searching for. And as you can see, it's getting 74,000 searches a month for this Google Chrome app. 41 cents is a CPC, and the difficulty score is 26, which means that is the score, the difficulty to try to rank for this keyword. So if you want to type in something else up here, you want to do a blog post on, say, website traffic. Right? And you just click on that. Again, the volume for the United States, because I do have my extension set for the United States. So if you have it global or Canada or whatever, that is what the search volume is in your country. Or if I set this for global, now watch when I refresh this page, this 5,000 is going to go up. So globally, it's searching for 18,000 searches a month globally, and the CPC is $3.95. If you're doing a global CPC campaign, competition is 27, which is pretty low. Anything under 30 is a good competition, which means you could rank fairly easy for that. So what I want to do is I want to change this back to the United States because I just want to see what people are doing here in the United States. So I got 5,000 people in the United States looking for website traffic. Now, if I put my hyphen there, you can see these other suggested keywords is what they call it. So you could be doing a blog post on Website Traffic Generator. You could be creating content on that to sell in, say, the Warrior Forum or something like that. If you go down here to the bottom, you're going to see other suggested keywords that people are actually typing into Google. So people are looking for website traffic checker for free, and that's getting 720 searches a month. And this is the cost per click. So anytime somebody clicks on that, they pay it $14.86. So that's a pretty good keyword right there. And as you can see, the difficulty is 46, which is kind of hard to rank for. Here's an easy one to rank for. It's $8.57 cost per click. It's getting 800 searches, and it's website traffic rankings. So this is a keyword that you can use in your blog post that gets 880 searches, and it's fairly easy to rank for. Here's one that's really easy to rank for. Alexa website traffic. So this is telling you that people are looking for Alexa website traffic, how to get your rankings probably in Alexa, which in Alexa, the lower the rank, the better the score. Okay, so this is really a good tool. This is one of the tools that I wanted to talk to you about. Now, another way that you can do keyword research is going to a page from neilpatel.com /UberSuggest. So if I click on this little icon here, you're going to see UberSuggest. And all you have to do is enter in a keyword. So we'll do website traffic again. Now this is a free tool, and Neil Patel does not like people that charge to do things on the internet, like searching for keywords. So he created this tool himself for free that you can use. So let's look it up. So now in Neil Patel's website here, UberSuggest, now you're going to get a search volume of 5,400 CPC for this keyword itself, $7.13, and the competition is 41. So here he's giving you suggested keywords. Also, he's giving you the search volumes. I like to go from highest to lowest. And so traffic, that is like the base keyword. That is a keyword that is too basic. You want to break it down a little bit. So website traffic, here we go. This is the main keyword we searched in. So website ranking, and whichever ones you like. So you want to try to search for keywords that are attainable that you can rank for. So website stats is a keyword you might be able to rank for. Check traffic, estimate traffic. Now these are getting good monthly searches. As you can see, they're going down in volume as you go down the page. But see, the competition here is really easy to rank for. And advertising web, okay, so let's go down. 22, here's another good one. So you can just go down here and check these keywords by difficulty, and I'm just going to do a few here that is going to be real easy. Okay, so see, I got a bunch of these, and you can go on and on and on and on and on. Now, if you want, you can export what you have already checkmarked here to a CSV file. You can copy it, and what you can do is you can go and you can right mouse click on your desktop, and you can create a new, say, text document, right? So I got new text documents all over the place. And if you double click on that text document, it pops up. You can either right mouse click and paste in there, or you can CTRL V at the same time, and so it puts all the keywords that you had checkmarked into this document. Now you can take these keywords and you can start creating your content, and you can use one keyword at a time, and you can make headlines or paragraphs out of these different keywords, and that way your content will get searched by these keywords once they get ranked, and people will find your content. Now if you have this content posted on the Warrior Forum, you can make money with your reports on the Warrior Forum. So I'm going to wrap it up and say, now what you want to do is you want to practice this and finding new keywords. Now you're going to want to find new keywords. You're going to want to do keyword research for any kind of business that you want to start, or any blog post that you want to write, or anything that you want to do online. I suggest this is the first place that you go to, is doing keyword research, either using Neil Patel UberSuggest. Now if you're wondering how I get things into my bar up here, first of all, in Google Chrome, if you go here and you go to, so what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to go to bookmarks, and you want to make sure that you have show bookmarks bar, and that's what this is right here. Okay, and then all you have to do is you have to just left mouse click, hold the mouse down, and then drag it right here. Now you see how it makes this little thing right here, and boom, it's going to have Ubersuggest free keyword tool, right? And then what I do is I right mouse click on it, and I edit it, and I erase all of this stuff right here because it has an icon that you already recognize, and what it does is it takes away this big line right here, which makes your icons go way off the page, which will come out down here. So then I save it, and so you notice how it shortened it up, and you continue on down the page with the icons here. So I'm going to just delete this because I already have it on there. But that's how you do that, and that way you can go there anytime you want to. I have other icons here that I use frequently. Actually, I use all of these icons frequently. So anyway, that's how you do keyword research for free. So that's it for the keyword research. You'll be hearing from me next week again. So look forward to my emails, and we'll talk again next week.